Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, Eid Mubarak. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our After Eid online class. I am Sanjida Khanom, lecturer in Finance Banking and Insurance, BAF Shahin College, Chattogram. Today, we are going to start our lesson with the third part of miscellaneous insurance from Finance Banking and Insurance second paper, and it becomes the last part of this chapter. After completing today's lesson, students will be able to define the livestock insurance. They also learn the importance of livestock insurance. They will get an idea about theft insurance. And finally, they will learn the way to solve insurance related creative questions. Let's start our today's lesson with the livestock or cattle insurance. Livestock are considered one of the most valued possessions of the rural community. Marginal, small and medium farmers earn considerable portion of their income from cattle rearing. Since the livelihood of farmers depends so much on them, it becomes important to get livestock insurance for comprehensive coverage against losses. So, what is livestock insurance? It's an insurance system providing coverage for losses due to the death or injury of one's livestock. It covers death or disability caused by accidents, injury, illness, or diseases. Theft or missing of livestock is also covered by this insurance. Now, we can learn the importance of livestock or cattle insurance. The cost of livestock is high and their loss can force farmers to get into a debt cycle. With livestock insurance, farmers will get comprehensive protection against the cattle losses. That's why this insurance is very important. In our country, the Bragg Bank Limited and Green Delta Insurance Company Limited have jointly launched a livestock insurance scheme for cattle farmers. This is the country's first ever such facility. Livestock insurance helps to reduce the risk. There are different types of natural and unnatural perils that can harm livestock. So, livestock insurance reduces these types of risk. Livestock insurance helps to achieve financial stability. The owners of the livestock are strained financially when the livestock is spoiled, and this insurance provides financial stability to the owners by reducing the risk and uncertainty. This insurance also helps to expand loan facilities because the insured person enjoys the loan advantage from the insurance company or bank against the insurance policy. And finally, it helps to expand cattle industry by reducing risk and uncertainty of the owners. Now, we are going to learn theft or robbery insurance. Robbery insurance means insurance against loss or damage caused by the unlawful taking of property. Here, the premium is mainly determined based on the nature of items or stocks in the premises and security measures that are available at the premises. Now, we want to solve a creative question, which is Joshore Board 2017. The question is, Green Farm Limited has taken an insurance policy for their employed farmers in agricultural division from X Insurance Company against any type of accident during their working period. It has also taken an insurance policy from Y Insurance Company for 1000 cows kept in its dairy division. So, this is our stem. First question is, what is crop insurance? I hope you can answer this because we covered this question in our previous lecture. Next question is, insurance is a mutual distribution system of risk. Explain. I hope you also can answer this question because it is from the very beginning chapter of insurance. Next question is, in the STEM, which type of insurance policy has been taken from X insurance company? Explain. This question is from actually life insurance. Here, Green Farm Limited has taken an insurance policy for their all employees. So, the answer is the policy is group insurance policy. Next question is, how logical was the decision of Green Farm Limited to take insurance policy from Y insurance company? So first we have to identify which insurance policy has been taken by Green Farm Limited. Here Green Farm Limited has taken livestock or cattle insurance, and it's very logical for the company to take it because by taking this insurance, company can recover any losses if occurs for its 1000 cows. Now it's time for the recapitulation. In this chapter, we have covered 5 types of insurance. These are accident insurance and its types, health insurance, crop insurance, livestock insurance, and theft insurance. All these insurance are very easy to read. I hope you will cover all these topics. It's time to evaluate you. Here are some questions for you. First one is, what is theft insurance? Second one is, which kind of policy is taken for the indemnity of domestic animals? Explain. And the last one is, write down the importance of cattle insurance. Dear students, watch the video carefully and then do your homework. After then, inbox me. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment box. Thank you for being with me.